Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 25th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir closed down 36 cents, 3.04% at 11.47. Post-market, we are down 2 cents. After the big, nice green candle we had yesterday, now we are still getting stuck underneath 11.94. So 11.94 is getting to be a resistance. It was a support before right here. It was a support and now it's becoming resistance. So this is how things are happening. And we could not break it yesterday, even though we had a nice move, and we sure did not break it today. So today was a little bit of a pullback here. We are still at over 50% of the candle that we had yesterday. This is a decent pullback. This is a pullback that could mean theoretically that the stock would be ready to continue. And then I'll talk about stochastic in a few minutes. Let's go see the hourly chart. So first candle of the day, we opened lower today, just like Tesla, then rallied up to 11.94. Look at this. This is perfectly aligned. And yes, we are perfectly aligned with the 50-day moving average. So some people like moving averages. I don't tend to like them much. Anyway, I won't go into that now, but it's just interesting that we are very close to 11.94 and also the 50-day moving average. And then we pulled back down, and then we basically went sideways throughout the day with a little bit of a green finish at the end. Let's go back on the daily chart. What's a little bit disappointing for Palantir is that even with this big green candle, stochastic did not change that much. It's not at 60 yet. The move is not really good. To have the bull trend on Palantir again, we need to break at least 11.94 and we need to have stochastic over 60. Do we even have a MACD breakover? No, we don't have the blue line of MACD above the orange line. We don't have RSI over 650 and we don't have the green line of the MI over the orange line. So these are all indicators that are telling us, no, we are still in the downtrend. Even though we are starting to see some movement back up, the downtrend is still on. Okay, yeah, I think I'll continue doing Palantir because I feel like we seem to have stopped going down, at least for now. I am getting back some hope to see some movement up eventually. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member and then you'll get some little bonuses. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. I won't be able to do the live on Sunday because I'm going away a little bit, but I will be there Monday and also next Sunday. So I'm going to wish you a great evening, a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.